Hello everyone, today we are going to learn FreeCAD basic tutorial how to loop along path in parametric part. So you can click on parametric part, and as example I will create for the profile. You can click create sketch, choose the top plane. As example I will draw circle for the profile, and the next we create for path. You can click again create sketch. I will choose this plane, front plane, and use the polyline tools to create path, okay, from the origin point to here like this. And I will use the fillet tools to fillet in this lines object. Click close. Now if you want to loop along path, we can use the additive pipe tools, these icons. You can select the circle and then click the command additive pipe. After it, for path, you can click here. You can click on object button, select the path, and it be automatically generate for the extrusions in a long path. So you can click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD 1.0, how to loop along path. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.